We're here at the Aquarium parking garage, or one of the parking garages here at Aquarium, here at Roanoke. And we have these glass Otis Series 1s here,
Look at that door for the phone.
What?
Look at that door for the phone.
No, it's missing its cover, but it has 88 phone in there. Looks bad, they're actually building a new bar at the hospital. Series 1. Oh yeah, by the way, those are the steps. And what's interesting about these elevators is the machine room is actually on steps too. See, the machine room is right over here. And to get to the machine room, we have to go up these steps. See? Interesting. It's like, nope, screw it, I'm taking the stairs. This is the Aquarium Riverwalk garage. I think I do know why they can put the machine room up a couple steps. It's due with flooding concerns in this area. Now we need to go to 3.
You want a 3?
Going up?
Alright, going up. Okay.
What floor?
4, please.
If I had my choice, I think, I really love white. I've always been drawn to white cars. I don't know why. I don't know why, but there's something about the white ones I like.
Scoops on, thank you. Now take a look at these floor indicators. They're all like very like screwy.
Both of them.
Yep, both of them are. Nice. In a way, I guess that is gonna be it for me.